Hello, boys and girls. Miss Holloway here. You should be on reteaching 7-3, finding missing numbers in a multiplication table. You should have watched the other video to learn how to find missing factors in a multiplication problem. And if you can do that, then looking for answers in a division problem will be much easier. So if you haven't watched that video, stop this video and go back and watch, please. Okay. So in a multiplication problem, for example, if we're going to look at this problem right here, 6 times n equals 24. Remember that n is just a way to make a blank. It's a missing factor. It's almost as if there's a question mark right there. 6 times what equals 24? So remember from the other video, to do that, you would find the 6, and you can either find the 6 on the top or on the side. It really doesn't matter. So let's find the 6 on this side since there's not one up here. Go down to the 6. You're going to go all the way over to, you're going to find the 6 here, and you're going to go all the way over to the 24 because that's your answer. And then you're going to go all the way up to find the missing factor, which would be 4. Okay? So to do that for a division, you would actually do exactly the same thing. Go to the 6, go all the way over to the 24, go up, and that would be your quotient. All right, let's look at number 1. We have 8 divided by 2 equals n. So if I'm using a multiplication table, and there should be a multiplication table attached to this assignment, you can look at that if you need to. So we're looking at 8 divided by 2. So I'm going to go to the 2 either on the top or the side. Okay, I'm going to start with my number of groups, or my divisor. So let's start with the 2, the divisor. I'm going to go all the way down until I find the 8, which is my dividend or my total. And then I'm going to go over to the side to find the quotient, 4. So n equals 4. That just means n is 4. The answer, the quotient, is 4. Using a multiplication table is really just one way you can solve division problems. However, do not rely on this. You need to find probably faster ways to solve division problems because you won't always have a multiplication table to use. So let's go to the next one. 12 divided by 4. Okay, our divisor is 4, so we're going to start at 4 and find 12. Start at 4, go down to 12, and go over. 3 is our answer. N equals 3. 15 divided by 5 equals n. 5 is our divisor. Start at 5, go down to 15, go over. 3 is our answer. Number 4, 10 divided by 5 equals n. 5 is our divisor. 10 is our dividend, go down to 10, and 2 is the quotient. 20 divided by 4. 4 is our divisor. Go all the way down to 20. It's our dividend. Go all the way over to 5, which is the quotient. 30 divided by 5. 5, go all the way down to 30. Go over. 6 is our quotient. Okay, number 7. How can you use a multiplication table to find 16 divided by 4? All right, we're going to write this out together and write down the steps. First, find the 4 on top. Follow that row to 16. follow over to the side to find the quotient. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Go down to 16, go over, 4 is our quotient. Okay, turn the page and do the practice side on your own. Good luck!